Hi, second graders. Today, in our grammar on page 54, we have more about verbs, and we've been talking about past, present, and future verbs. And so we're going to get a little bit more practice with those and some writing. And I helped you last week, and I will also help you this week to just give you an example. Remember, what I write should be different than what you write. But let's take a look. This is more about verbs, and my page looks a little bit different than yours. You have a box on your page with the verbs help, talk, show, need, and listen. And I just listed them here at the top. So your directions say, think of a way that you can help a family member or friend. Write about your idea. Then it says use the verbs help, talk, show, need, and listen, or your own words. So before you do your writing, you'll want to do a little bit of brainstorming and think about your ideas before you write them down. Once you're ready, then you can put them on your paper. I'm going to start, and I just want to remind you to indent your paragraph. So I just hit my tab button here before I start typing, and that will give me a nice little space to start with my indentation. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to say, my brother talked to me. Now, notice I used the word talk, but I added an ed to it. I made it happen in the past. My brother talked to me. Then I'm going to say, I listened to him. So listened, I just had to make a little fix there with my spelling. I listened to him ends with an ed. So it happened in the past. My brother talked to me. I listened to him. Now I'm going to say he needs help with his homework. He needs help with his homework. Okay. I used the verb need, and I added an S to it. He needs. Now remember, we talked about when we have one person or more than one person or animal or thing, and I added an S because he is only one person. He needs help with his homework. And he needs means he needs help right now in the present. Okay. I will show him. Okay. Notice we have the verb show. I will show. Now remember, will is what we would call a helping verb. It helps the main verb show, but it tells us that that is in the future. I will show him. Maybe it will be tomorrow. Maybe it will be in a few days or next week, but it will be in the future. I will show him. I help my family. And help is now in the present. So there I gave some examples using some of these verbs up here. I changed them to happen in the past, in the present or now, and in the future. So try to use at least a couple of those verbs, or you can think of your own. They don't have to be the ones that are listed. But I know Mrs. Nuremberg and I are going to look forward to reading these. If you need help, please ask us. And have a great week.